Let's see what Nana got you, Connor. Echo, you do not get to chew on the cardboard.
Echo's helping.
Let's see, Echo.
Girl.
Oh, Connor, look. Look, you want to open this bag?
Play with plastic bags, Connor. See?
It's safe for... Oh, cool. Look, Connor, socks.
Sweet!
Yay! He doesn't look that excited. Connor, let's see what else. Oh, man. Connor. Echo, quit it. Probably going to make my parents dizzy with this. Connor, look. More socks. Echo, will you please call Echo? She's attacking everything. Oh, my gosh. And some shoes.
You got some shoes?
Connor, shoes.
Yay!
You got all kinds of awesome stuff. Echo. And
Oh, sweet.
golf. It says golf on it.
Yeah.
Connor, look. You got a golf shirt. What'd you say? Oh, and then, oh, Dennis, you'll love these too. Little overalls that say golf. Yeah. He loves them. Look. A little golf club on it. That's real sweet, isn't it, Connor?
We'll take them to the Masters.
We'll take...
Required.
Oh, wait, there's more. Connor, geez, she went crazy. Oh.
That's awesome.
Yes, Connor. This will probably... Look, Connor, look. It's a cute onesie. You want to eat the box? Connor, this is, oh, some dual chamber, whatever they're called, arm things for in the water. Look, Connor, for when we go swimming. They're arm puffs. There you go with your fake laugh. He's real excited about the puffs for his... You've wanted those for a while, I think.
Water wings.
Water wings. Okay, maybe not on the... Ew! What?
That's so you don't, we'll see you when you float away in the ocean.
Your dad said this way we see you when you float away in the ocean. That's not very nice.
We can just put them out in the ocean and watch them.
Really? Say thank you to your Nana and Papa. He's reading all the instructions.